Hi there, and thanks for taking the time to learn about setting up your advisor email introduction automation in Navigate360, Kane University Student Success Management System. This video tutorial will bring you step by step through the process from identifying the list of students who you want to be part of the automation through sending the actual email to your students. If you have questions following this video, please email navigatesupport@kane.edu. We'd be happy to help you set this up. The first thing you'll want to do is log into Navigate 360. You can access Navigate from the Kane Quick Links. The first thing you're going to want to do from your home screen is select the advanced search from the icon menu on the left side of your screen, indicated here with the orange arrow. Once you select the advanced search from the icon menu, you will be brought to this screen, which is the advanced search function. There are two main components to the advanced search. There are entities and there are fields. Entities are the areas in which our data is organized. On the screen here, you'll see, for example, we have the area of study entity, and within that entity, you can access information about the college or school, degree, concentration, and major. Similarly, you have a course data entity, and this is where you're able to filter out your list based on student engagement in a particular course or section during a particular term. For this particular advanced search, we're going to look in the term data and assign to entities. Scroll down and expose the term data fields. Under term, you're going to want to type in the current term, in this case, fall 2024. This can be updated for future terms. Additionally, you're going to want to select the number 1 under the minimum credit hours. Then you're going to scroll down to the Assign to Entity. Exposing the fields, you're going to look for the major type that you're setting up this search for. For example, if you're a CAPS advisor, student has relationship would display CAPS advisor. If you're a faculty advisor, you're going to select first or second major primary faculty advisor. Just below the student has relationship field, in the staff field, you're going to type in your first or last name, and then you'll scroll to the very bottom left of the advanced search function and select search. Once you select search, you'll be brought to your data set as displayed here. As indicated, you can actually save this advanced search for future reference. Of note, the advanced search is a dynamic querying tool, which means that if you run this data on April 1st, the data will populate as of April 1st. If you pull the data on September 8th, that data will be as of September 8th. Go ahead and select Save as indicated here. You'll then be prompted to name this search. It's important to note that this is your naming convention, so whatever you name this advanced search should make sense to you. A recommendation, though, is if it is term specific, be sure to include the term. If it's date specific or GPA range specific, be sure to include those indicators as well. Once you've selected a name, select Save Search, indicated here on the bottom right. Once you've saved your advanced search, not only is it visible to you from your lists and saved items, you can actually access it from your home screen under the List Type drop-down menu, indicated here. Now that we have our lists set up and ready to go, all that's left is for us to set up the automation. From your icon menu, select Lists and Saved Items. Scroll to the very bottom of your screen and select New Automation. From the new automation configuration screen, you're going to want to give your automation a name. Similar to the advanced search, you'll want to be specific in your naming convention. And again, this naming convention is specific to you. You'll then have the option to either leave the automation as active or turn it off for the time being and making it inactive. Scrolling down, this is where you would set up your automation configurations. These are simple if-then statements. As displayed here, as an example, if the student matches the criteria in my Save Search or report called Minor Advisees Assigned to Me, then I want the system to take this action, and in this case, it's to send a message. If you are building additional automations, you can actually make your then statement adding students to a message campaign, an appointment campaign, you can assign a task for the student, and so forth. There's lots of options when it comes to setting up your automations. Since the intention of this particular automation is to email students who are recently assigned to us as advisees, we want to configure our email communication to them. Within the body of the email, be sure to introduce yourself. Tell the student a little bit about yourself as you feel comfortable, maybe what you study or courses that you teach. Additionally, using the ellipses from the formatting ribbon, you can Make each email individualized by using merge tags. Recipient first name would populate the student's preferred name in the email. Using your personal availability link would allow you to say to students something like, "Need to make an appointment with me? Click on the link below." And finally, you can embed your email signature using the last option displayed here, which will automatically populate your email signature. The last step in setting up our automation is setting the duration and frequency. In this instance, I have the start date as September 1st, 2024 through December 31st, 2024. For my frequency, I have it set to daily at 1 p.m. What these settings mean is that between September 1st and December 31st of 2024, every day at 1 p.m., Navigate will evaluate my advanced search list, and if a student is newly added to the list, they will receive an automated email communication from me introducing me as their advisor. Once you select Save Automation, you'll be brought to preview your automation. From this screen, you can actually see how many students were part of your automation to date, and you can also edit your automation at the top right of the screen, allowing you at any time to adjust your criteria for your advanced search and or adjust the message that you have automated to the student. This concludes the step-by-step instructions for setting up your email introduction automation within Navigate 360. If you have any questions regarding this or any functions of Navigate, please feel free to reach out to us at navigatesupport@kane.edu. Thanks for watching.